Good day everyone. We are the group 2. So, we are assigned to discuss about the topic of dependence perspective. So, these perspectives emphasizes the importance of the resources of an organization's survival and success. The schools, like any other organization, depend on various resources to function effectively. These resources can include financial support, human resources, teachers, staff, or etc. Physical resources, buildings, equipment, etc. And informational resources, curriculum, teaching methods, and etc. So, identify the stakeholders as integral environment resource of the wider school community. The stakeholders in a school settings are individual or groups that have an interest in the school's success. So they can be internal, students, teachers, staff, and administrations, or external parents, community, members, local businesses, government agency. Each stakeholder contributes to the school community in different ways, making them integral environmental resources. So for example, parents provide support and feedback. Local business may offer financial support or partnerships, and government agencies provide regulations and guidelines. So recognizing the value of each stakeholders and ensuring their involvement in the school's decision-making processes can enhance the school's ability to meet it objectively. So in terms of reporting, you might want to provide a detailed breakdown of different stakeholders, how they contribute to the school's resources, and examples of their involvement in the school's community. You could also discuss any strategies the schools uses to engage with these stakeholders and ensure their output is considered.
So first is we have the students. So students they are the primary stakeholders in school. Their learning and development are the main objectives of the educational institution. They contribute to the school environment through their participation in academic and extracurricular activities. So, importante kay ang students sa stakeholders kay silang hinungdan ngano ang school ka-exist. So, next stakeholders is we have the teacher. So, teacher are responsible for delivering the curriculum and facilitating learning. They also contribute to the school environment by creating a positive and supportive learning atmosphere. So, importante kayo ang learning ang teacher sa stakeholders. Kay sila ang gahatag og knowledge sa student. Tapos, sila po dayon ang gahatag og mga positive outcomes sa silang hinungdan nganong may positive outcomes ang mga bata. So, next is we have stakeholders is administrative staff. So this group includes principals, vice principals, and other administrative staff. They are responsible for the overall management of the school, including budgeting, staffing, and strategic planning. So, importante ang administrative para mag-access jud ang sa school kay sila ang ga-provide og mga kinahanglan sa school, kinahanglan sa teacher, kinahanglan sa mga bata. So, mao na siya ang administrative nga stakeholders. So, next is we have the parents or guardians. So, parents or guardians are responsible for supporting their child's learning at home. They can also contribute to the school community by participating in parent-teacher association, volunteering, and providing feedback to the school. So, importante gihapon ang parents or guardians sa stakeholders kay ngano. Importante siya kay tungod ang parents, sila ang first teacher sa mga bata. Sila ang first teacher sa ilang mga anak. Tapos importante po sila para maka-provide sila og feedback kung kani nga school kay tsada ba ang mga administrative diri, tsada ba ang mga tao nga nakapalibot dinhi, tsada ba ang kanang mga stakeholders nga naa diri. So next is we have local community. So local community is this can include local businesses, community organization, and residents. They can support the school through partnership, sponsorship, and by participating in school events. So ang role sa local community sa stakeholders kay sila ang gaka-process sa mga businesses, sa mga mahitabo nga events sa school, sila ang galihok, sila ang ga-accept og partnership og sponsorship sa school. Tapos next is we have the government agencies. So this include local and national educational departments. They providing funding, set education policies and standards, and monitor the school performance. So importante kaayo ang government agencies sa stakeholders kay sila ang ga-provide og mga kinahanglan gyapon sa school, sila ang ga-set og policy, sila ang ga-set og standard kung unsa ang standard nga angay makuha sa students, sa teacher, sa parents, sa tanan nga stakeholders nga akong nabanggit dito sa taas, dapat mo pud na siya dapat ang standard nga makuha gikan sa government agencies. Muna ang kinahanglan nga standard nga gikinahanglan po sa government agencies. So next stakeholders is we have the alumni. Former students can contribute to the school community by participating in alumni events, making donation, and serving as role models for current students. So, importante kayo ang alumni no sa stakeholders. Part gihapon dai sila sa stakeholders ang alumni kay ngano sila ang mag-role sa role model sa mga students sa diha nga school, sa diha nga institution. Sila ang maghatag og kanang murag mga positive outcomes, mga positive nga thoughts kung unsa ni nga eskwelahan. So nadya pun sila ma-contribute sa school community. Og isa pod sa alumni nga mahitabo sa school, makatabang pod ni siya para naay mga fans sa school, madungagan ang fans sa school, naay mga donation nga madawat sa school gikan sa alumni. So next stakeholders is we have non-teaching staff. So this includes school nurses, counselor, librarians, and maintenance staff. They support the school's operation and contribute to the overall environment. So mo ni siya ang part sa stakeholders ang non-teaching. So mag-include na diri ang school nurses. So of course na gitawag siya non-teaching kay dili man sila nag-focus sa magtudlo, sila nag-focus as in example sa school nurses. So focus sila ang kanang kalawasan sa mga bata, ang healthy sa mga bata, mura lang gina-focus. Tapos ang counselor, yes, tigtambag sa mga bata, tig-guide, tig-counsel kung unsay mga gikinahanglan, unsay mga problema sa mga bata. So, librarians and maintenance staff. So, each of these stakeholders has a unique role, yes, and contributes to the school in different ways. So, ang 8 nga part sa stakeholders kay nagid sila lain-lain nga pagka-unique nga roles nga gikinahanglan para maka-contribute sa atong eskwelahan.